everybody, thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Today, y'all, we're going to be making boiled hamburgers. You got it. Not fried, not broiled, but boiled. Exactly. I'm going to show you how to make these burgers where you will put them in hot boiling water, drain some of that grease out, and they will still be delicious and juicy. Let me go ahead and give y'all some ingredients, okay? Here's some of the ingredients we have for you. Of course, guys, I have the ground beef hamburgers. I have my seasonings here. I have the garlic powder, Lorry seasoning salt, and we're going to use a little complete seasoning. We're going to use that too. Give us some flavor. And I have my tomatoes and onions, buns, pickles, mild peppers, and cheese. You guys is going to love this recipe. Now, I had some people ask me, how could you absolutely boil a hamburger and make it stay together? I'm going to show you that. Okay, guys, I already washed my hands, I already cleaned. I am excited to show you this science in this good meal I'm about to give you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you got your ground beef. Now, I have mine in a wok. You can use a pot, a wok, whatever you have at home to use to boil it. So you let the water get boiling hot before you're able to put the hamburger in, okay? So my boiling water is boiling hot already. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings to the burger. A little seasoning salt, what I gave you earlier. A little garlic powder. And we're going to top it off with a little complete. So I'm going to make two big, nice sized burgers, okay? Yes, delish. Now, I got this recipe from my mom. My mom used to make us boiled hamburgers. And I used to watch her and say, amazing, how did she make that stay together in boiled water? But she did it, and it was delicious, and I want to show you guys. Okay, so this is what we have here, guys. The water is real hot. You want to make sure it's hot, boiling, and ready to put it in the hot boiling water. Okay? Cuts back a lot of fat, a lot of grease. We're going to get this one patted up as well, and we're going to let them cook. And I'm going to give you guys the exact amount of time on how long they cook, and I'm going to come back with that. Okay? Okay. So guys, what we're going to do next, we are going to make up your own dressing for your burger. So your own mayo for your burger. I got a little special little twist for you guys, as you would say, or a special treat to share with you, how you can make up your own dressing for your hamburger. You guys gonna love it. And I just want to give a shout out or thank you to my brother Paul Bell for the Shimon's Kitchen shirt. Bell Boys Incorporated, guys. He's located in Michigan, local Michigan. You can contact me and I can give you his information. Very reasonable prices. Very nice, well put together. And also my girlfriend Sonia Fisher doing them as well. I thank you guys, and later on, maybe in May, I will be maybe giving away a couple of t-shirts. Shimon's Kitchen, I really would appreciate it if you guys would represent and wear. and share some of the recipes or share a recipe with us. That would be awesome. I really will appreciate it. I just want to give another shout out to my brother, Paul Bell, Bell Boys Incorporated, for making this t-shirt for your sister. Thank you. Good looking out. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get to this recipe. What we have, bring it down for you guys here. So we got mayo. I'm only making 2 burgers today, so you put the amount that you need according to how many burgers you're going to be making. Let's go down a little bit here. Okay, so we got the mayo. And guys, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, or some people use ketchup, but we're going to give it a little twist today. I'm going to do Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, a little cayenne pepper, and just a half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the barbecue sauce in it first. Let's go ahead and do that first. Okay. So you guys can see. Go ahead and get the Sweet Baby Ray's and give it a good stir. Let me use my wooden spoon. Give it a good stir. Okay. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little kick to it. You want a kick? Use cayenne. Just a little bit. And just a half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of sugar. See that? And you're going to bring it together. And we're going to use just a little bit more of this barbecue sauce. And that sugar you put in, it kind of keeps it balanced. And you made your own homemade dressing for your burger, mayo for your burger. Guys, if you don't want barbecue sauce, you can use your ketchup. Okay? So in the meantime, I want you to check the hamburgers out. Look at that. It's cooking. They're boiling. They're staying together, like I told you. So about another 5 minutes, I like to kind of flatten them down a little bit just to make sure all the grease is getting out, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay guys, we are back, and I kind of want you to see it up close, in person. Yes, the boiled hamburgers. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I let it cook for about a good 25 minutes. You can let it cook longer, 30 minutes, to make sure it's all the way done. Okay, there it is. And we are going to, I'm gonna show you guys, we're gonna cut this open so that you can see that it is done. See that? Done. That's how I like it cooked. That's how I like mine. Delish. Let's take the other one. We're going to put it on napkins, okay, so that you can let the water drain out. See that? Done. So while it's still hot, guys, we're going to take the cheese while it's still hot and put cheese on it, okay? Okay, so I showed you that it was done. See there? Done. Good 25 minutes. It depends on how you like your burgers. Let's turn this off here. So while it's still hot, I'm gonna go ahead and lay the cheese on. Oh my God. Cut away less fat. And I already toasted my buns. I just put a little butter on it and toasted it in the pan, however you toast yours. And we are going to get to making our boiled hamburgers, okay? Let's get going here. Okay. So, with that being said, come on down a little bit for you guys. Okay. So the mayo that we made up, guys, try this. You will like it. You will like it. Let's go ahead and make it up real quick. Toasted, delicious. Like I said, today I'm going to make 2 of them. Put some on the top and bottom if you like. That's what I like doing, top and bottom. Hear that crunch? Toast your bread. It will come out so much better. Okay. And let's get to stacking here, guys. I want you to get a good view of what's going on. Okay. Here we go. We're going to get to stacking. Bottom bun. Look at this burger. I just want to bring it up to the camera so you can see. Boiled hamburger. My mom used to make one of her recipes. You see how the cheese melted? Take the cheese and put it on while your burger is still hot. It automatically melts. Delish. We're gonna top it. Tomato. Couple onions. Take the cheese off my hand. Couple onions, how many onions you want. Couple pickles here. Oh my God, yes, yes. And you're gonna take your top bun and you can add lettuce if you like, okay? Look at that. Delish, yummy. What you think about that? Yes. I'm gonna come back and I am going to show you what I'm gonna do as I eat that boiled, not broiled, boiled hamburger. Takes away all the fat and grease. Yummy, guys. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna come back with a mukbang to show you while I eat the burger. Thank you. Be blessed. Shimon's Kitchen. Tune in, subscribe, share this so people can learn how to make the boiled hamburger. Oh my God, guys. Yes. They can learn how to make this. Subscribe, like I said. I'm on Instagram, Shimon's Kitchen or Shimon Snyder. Facebook at Shimon Snyder. Subscribe to me, share it, get the word out there for me. I appreciate you guys even watching me, taking the time out. I'm gonna come back and show you how I'm gonna eat this boiled hamburger for you. Thank you.